Hello. What you doing? What's in there?
Chocolate.
And what we making with the chocolate?
Brownies.
And where's the rest of the brownie mix?
In the oven.
And what did you do to help make brownies? Phoebe, did you break an egg?
Yep.
And then did you mix it? Felix, look at me. Do you like chocolate?
Happy birthday, Miss Sophie.
Excuse me, can I have a little bit on the side here? Oh. It's super yummy, isn't it? Blow me a kiss to say thanks.
Thank you.
Sugar heart.